Hopefully, I'm recording. New video. Philadelphia experiment stuff that Ron Maloney and I were going to do. Broadcast by CBS Radio, KSLX. You can check it out. Copied it, uploaded it. That was a number of years ago. KSLX radio station. I was contacted by a company back east that had equipment off the Philadelphia experiment. Okay, that's interesting, isn't it? I'm not going to name the company. And it's some electronic gear, okay? I have official paperwork on the piece of gear. Small unit, and I didn't, I was offered to buy it, I didn't buy it. The Philadelphia experiment kind of been over dramatized, I am sure. Okay? Project Invisibility, well, that probably has been done. Could have been multi spectrum radar systems and other things. Albiolic and a bunch of others dramatized it into this invisibility thing, and I don't know. After all, the ship went to Greece. You think Greece would mention something, or somebody would mention something about it, okay? However, I've been always fascinated by the story. There's no real, I don't know. You have to really dig for it, I suppose, in the classified documents, if it's true. I don't know if it's true or not, but I understand that they could have done it. The results might have been a little different, and interfering with simply other radar systems, or something else. Okay, so as you know, I love warships, Navy ships, and I got to work with the Artificial Reef Society of British Columbia, Canada, for 5 years, taking apart 4 warships. Mackenzie-class warships, and the most dramatic one was hmcs Columbia, oddly used in X-Files, the TV shows. Well, my job was electronics and the armaments, taking them apart, and I must say I encountered the weirdest armaments, not armaments, but electronics I ever encountered. I could not believe my eyes. My payment for working with the Reef Society is anything I want off the ship, just take it home. Okay, which I did do a lot of, and still got a lot here. But I saw these generators, circular style generators, and impossible looking weird stuff. Okay? Then I found the coil room. Not a doorway, but a hatch on the deck. You unbolt it, actually. I went down there and saw this massive coil. Oh, how tall was it? Under 10 feet, I think. Maybe 4 feet in diameter. It would rotate. I do have a photograph of it as well. Okay. I took photos and videos of my adventures. And the coil, I still got a bunch of these, by the way. Where am I here? Had these on it. I got lots of these things. And there's a bit of wear on these. They're screwed on like on the side of the coil and would move around with the coil and engage a spring-loaded one of these, which I have over there somewhere. Go like that, and push it in, and go around. Another set would line up to this. Nice pieces. This is from Columbia. out of the coil room, and you can see where the marks are, where it's moved around to kind of wore down some of the chrome plating on copper. I don't know if you can see that streaks there, but this one is, I think, void of being, see something a little bit there. But I have ones that are more pronounced than others, so I use these for different projects here. What else I got from the coil room? Well, the female, one of those, with a spring behind it, and some other pieces laying around here. So, I think Columbia was trying something out. Because a lot of the equipment was all one-of-a-kind pieces. Oh, I found a video of Columbia in service, which I uploaded. That's some of my own stuff. I think Columbia was part of an experiment as well. Also had big coils, degaussing coils and other coils, and I told that was used in special training exercises. And somebody actually mentioned, well, kind of like the Philadelphia experiment, which I'm very skeptical of, by the way, but you never know. That was, Mackenzie was pretty, the ship was pretty interesting as well, and then you get into, oh, this one I got into, Saskatchewan. Still got chunks of stuff from that ship here. Then later, Yukon. So 4 ships, 5 years. And it's quite a project. Because there's only a small amount of us working on it, and it can't have any grease or oil or stuff on it, kind of thing. They were, reefed, basically. Artificial reef. And there's the Chaudière, and then there's a few others that were done not where I lived. Where I lived with the 4 warships I worked on, just walking distance, so I wasn't going to travel way over to some of the locations. So anyway, I had a lot of fun. I got the complete sonar system off of this ship, Saskatchewan, plus many other things. I had a lot of fun, and I filmed myself doing it too. I should have done more, but well, that's my little story on the Philadelphia experiment. I did a foot-long model. Some of it's uploaded on YouTube. With high voltage and RF radio waves, and certain things did happen, but and it's the video is in Nancy's hard drive. I got a lot of stuff in that Nancy copied and put in the many terabytes hard drive of videos. Plus more metal samples going crazy. Anyway. Anyway, that's my story for today. And we got lots to upload tonight, I guess. I'm in a talkative mood. Johnny Cupcake in talkative mood. I guess I'll go now.